How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 and 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Run and type appwiz.cpl. After that, click on Enter or click on OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. From here, delete the apps you don't want or you don't use anymore. Select the app, right-click on it, and then click on Uninstall. You can do same with other apps you don't use, which is consuming your internet connection. If you delete the apps which you don't use, it will use less internet connection and your internet connection will speed up. And that's how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 and 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.